Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox HappyMod on iOS. We'll start by understanding what HappyMod aims to provide for Roblox players. Then, we'll delve into the inherent challenges of installing any third-party applications on Apple's iOS platform. Finally, I'll guide you through the common methods people attempt to install modified applications, offering a clear overview of each approach. This guide will help you navigate the process with a better understanding of the steps involved. HappyMod functions as a third-party app store, offering modified versions of various applications. However, Apple's iOS operating system is designed with stringent security measures, making direct installation of unofficial apps quite difficult. These security protocols are in place to protect user data and device integrity, meaning you cannot simply download and install an application from an external source without specific workarounds or tools. Understanding these restrictions is crucial before proceeding. There are a few common methods people attempt to install modified applications like HappyMod on iOS. One popular approach involves sideloading, using tools such as AltStore or Sideloadly, which require a computer to sign and install apps. Another method is jailbreaking your iOS device, which removes Apple's software restrictions but carries significant risks. Occasionally, enterprise certificates are used, but these are often revoked quickly, making them unreliable for long-term use. It's important to be aware of the significant risks associated with installing unofficial applications. These can include exposure to malware, data breaches, and system instability. Jailbreaking your device, while offering more freedom, can void your warranty and potentially compromise your device's security. Always back up your iOS device completely before attempting any major modifications. For the safest and most reliable experience, consider sticking with the official Roblox application available on the App Store.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.